Hi everyone. I just wanted to create a video to show you what it looks like as a student. So I am a student in Miss Lavoie's geometry class. And a couple things that I want to notice is that any assignment that I have when I click the Google Classroom is going to be on this side right here. So I can view all of my assignments that I have not submitted there. It's going to tell me if I'm missing anything and then something that is assigned. So I can click here. I don't see anything, and that's because I haven't attached anything. So I have to click View Details if I want to see it this way. So I see the details from Miss Lavoie here, right? All the things that I have to do. And I see that I have some practice pages and whatnot. And so if I click this right here, it gives me some of the attachments, right, for things that I can use. Now, I can mark as done even if I'm not done, but that's not going to submit anything to my teacher, right? It looks like in order for me to have this complete, I need to add or create something. And so let's say my answers are in a Google Doc. So then I want to work out of a Google Doc. So then I'm going to go to the create. But let's say I did these, right? Like I did these with like an app called like Cami or something, and I have these saved somewhere. So when I click add or create, I'm not going to create something new. I'm going to grab a file from something that I have already done. Like if I took a picture, right? Or grab a link if I have posted this somewhere, like on a YouTube channel, or if I save this to my Google Drive, I'm going to pull this from my Google Drive. But if I haven't done any of that and I want to do my work from somewhere, then I'm going to create new. Like I might want to do this from Docs, and it's going to automatically create a doc for me, right? And so now I'm going to actually have to click it in order, and you see it's titled it my answer, whatever that was called, and I'm going to do here is my work attached, and I'm going to do my equations, blah, 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 my answers, right? Now, I have an option to click turn in from here if I have created a separate doc. So I can click turn in, and it's my computer is glitching, so don't use this as an example. But I can click turn in, and it should turn it in. Or once it's attached here, I can go back to Google Classroom, and then I can hit turn in, and it's going to ask me to turn in my work, and then I'm going to hit turn in. And then you see it tells me that it's turned in, but if I made a mistake, then I might want to unsubmit, for example. And then I've unsubmitted it. Okay, if I need to add a comment to the teacher, I'm going to type it in here, and it's going to go privately to the teacher. So that is one way that you can submit your work.